Hello guys, good day and mabuhay. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, magre-review po ako ng isang investment site na pagkakakitaan natin ng Payer Cash at ng Bitcoin. The site is known as sparkearn.com, and for the full details, stay with me until the end of this video. At kung bago ka lang po sa aking channel, consider subscribing by just clicking the subscribe button below and the notification bell to get you notified with my new uploads.
Thought I'd end up with Sean, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen to that. Even almost got married, and the beat so bad.
Here we go guys. Ito po yung main homepage ni sparkearn.com. Isa siyang investment site. So, ibig sabihin nun guys, kailangan nating maglabas ng puhunan para kumita sa kanilang platform. So, from here, nandito yung kanilang live statistic. They are already online for 13 days and they've got a total client of 4,137. For the total investment, meron na silang 157,466.90 USD and a total withdrawal of 47,009.96 USD. So from here, makikita natin yung kanilang multiple passive earning opportunities starting with a standard package. Ito yung kanilang mga investment plan. Dito sa standard package guys, kikita tayo dito ng 12% daily. So, ang investment term nila dito is nasa 12 days and the deposit range minimum of 5 USD and a maximum of 500 USD. Next one is the Prime package. Dito sa Prime, meron silang daily percent of 13.50% and the investment term is also 12 days with a deposit range of a minimum of 501 USD and a maximum of 5,000 USD. And last but not the least, they have here the advanced package. Daily percent is 15% and the investment term is 12 days. Deposit range is from 5,001 USD and above. Okay, so meron din silang ditong profit calculator. Pwede nyong i-input kung magkano po yung amount na gusto nyong i-try, i-invest sa kanilang platform, and then makikita nyo po dito kung magkano yung kikitain nyo daily. So for example is 5 USD yung iyong susubukang i-invest. So, makikita mo dito yung daily return mo, which is nasa 0.60%, and the total return after the 12 days term of investment is nasa 7.20. Right? So, lahat ng package nila is 12 days term of investment, and ang kikitain natin sa pinakamurang investment nila dito sa kanilang platform is 12% daily, and that is for 12 days. So, nandito rin yung kanilang investors transaction, the last 10 investments. Ayan. So, yan yung mga last 10 investors na nag-invest sa kanilang platform. At ito naman yung mga last 10 payouts ng kanilang platform. And for the link of the site guys, kindly check it out in the description box below. Nilagay ko po dyan yung aking affiliate link. Click that link and you will be redirected dito sa kanilang main homepage. At para makapagsimula na kayong mag-create ng account, just click create new account and you will be redirected sa kanilang sign up page. So all you have to do here is to just fill up the form to get started. Just fill up your full name, your username, your active email address, your password, and ilalagay mo dito yung iyong mode of payouts. So pwede tayo makapag-payout via Payer and via Bitcoin. Alright, so kapag Bitcoin guys, Bitcoin wallet address yung ilalagay nyo dito, at kapag Payer naman, yung iyong Payer wallet ID ang ilalagay mo dito, and it starts with letter P na sinusundan ng mga digit of numbers. Alright, so just click this small box here to agree to the terms and condition and click create an account. And after successfully creating your account, ready na tayo makapag-login sa ating dashboard. So just click this menu bar here, the 3 lines, and then just click login. At mariredirect tayo sa kanilang login page. So all you have to do here is to just input your username, your password. So for example guys, yan. And click mo lang itong I'm not a robot. So gagawin mo lang yung CAPTCHA and then click verify. So, kapag okay na yan siya, just click login. And, ayan guys, ako kasi meron akong login authentication for the security of my account. So, ilalagay mo lang dito yung iyong 2FA code and then just click continue to my account. So, ayan guys, yung code na nanggaling sa aking Google Authenticator. So, ilalagay mo lang yan, then click continue to my account. So, ayan guys, welcome to my sparkearn.com dashboard. So, ito po yung makikita natin dito sa ating main dashboard. Nandito yung registered email natin, last access, and the account creation date. Dito sa baba, nandito yung ating account balance, the active deposit, and the total earnings. So, as of now, meron akong 1.43 USD dito sa aking account balance, and ang aking active deposit is 11.91 USD with a total earnings of 5.71 USD. So, from here guys, nandito yung ating last 5 deposits. So, once pa lang ako nakapag-deposit, and ang gamit ko is Bitcoin external wallet. Alright, so dito sa balance, makikita mo kung saang processor ka meron available balance. So for example, Bitcoin, ito yung available balance ko. Sa Payer, wala pa akong available balance. Kasi guys, kung ano yung gagamitin mong processor sa pag-deposit, doon din papasok yung iyong magiging earnings. Okay, so nandito yung ating deposit statistic and the withdrawal statistic. So as we can see here, nakapag-withdraw na po ako. So yung last withdrawal ko is nasa 4.28 USD and pumasok po yan siya sa aking Bitcoin wallet. And by the way guys, let's take a look of these 3 lines here. Ito yung kanilang menu bar para makita natin yung other features ng ating account. So aside from the dashboard, meron sila ditong update account. Dito tayo mag-a-update ng ating password kung gusto natin siyang i-change. And also, mag-a-update din tayo dito ng ating payment processor kung if ever gusto natin i-change yung ating mode of payouts. Click lang natin itong update account. So, dito sa active deposit, of course, dito papasok or dito natin matitrace lahat ng ating mga active deposit. Sa affiliate naman, dito papasok yung ating affiliate statistics and also our affiliate link. So, dito sa settings guys, dito natin makikita yung mga basic security measurement ng ating mga accounts. So, pwede natin i-enable yung ating 2FA for the security purpose ng ating account. So, depende sa atin yan guys. Andito sa advanced security measurement yung ating 2FA. So, ako naka-enable yan. Every time na nagla-login ako, nag-i-edit ng account at nagwi-withdraw, kinakailangan kong ilagay yung code na binibigay ng aking 2FA. So, importante yan siya guys, para maging secure yung ating account at hindi siya basta-basta mapapasok ng kung sino-sino. Pero depende pa rin yan siya sa atin kung gusto nating i-enable or naka-disable lang yan. Moving forward guys, dadako muna tayo dito sa kung papaano tayo makakapag-deposit dito kay sparkearn.com. So just simply click this new deposit button at mariredirect tayo sa kanilang deposit page. Makikita natin dito yung kanilang plans overview. So mamimili tayo guys kung saan natin gusto mag-invest. So makikita natin dito yung account funds, your account balance, and then dito guys, sa amount to spend, ilalagay mo dito kung magkano po yung gusto mong i-deposit. So, minimum of 5 USD and take note of that para hindi po tayo magka-problema sa ating future transaction dito kay sparkearn.com. Alright, so mamimili ka guys kung saan galing yung iyong i-deposit. So, pwede tayong makapag-reinvest dito using our account balance at pwede rin tayong mag-deposit using payment processor. So, mamimili ka kung Payer ba or Bitcoin. So, usually ang ginagamit nating pang deposit is Bitcoin. And then, click mo lang yung Bitcoin. Makikita mong itong check. Then, just click spend. So, don't forget to input the amount to spend. So, for example, you're about to deposit 100 USD. So, itatype mo lang yung 100. Ilalagay mo 100. So, it is considered as 100 USD. And then, choose your payment processor. Click spend. Scroll down lang tayo dito guys. And makikita natin yung ating investment plan. So, nandito siya sa 12% calendar days. Profit is 12% daily for 12 days. Debit amount, 100 USD for example. BTC debit amount is nasa 0.0111747 BTC. So, nakalagay dito, please send the amount of BTC to this wallet address or status is waiting for payment. So, ang gagawin mo dito guys, long press mo lang itong BTC na binigay niya. Itong BTC wallet address. So, click copy link text para makopy mo itong Bitcoin wallet address na i-provide dito sa kanilang deposit form. So, pupunta ka ngayon sa iyong payment processor, sa iyong Bitcoin wallet, and isi-send mo yung exact amount na naka-indicate dito. So, copy mo lang yan guys para hindi kayo magkamali. So, after successfully sending your deposit, hintayin lang natin na ma-confirm siya sa blockchain. So, at least 3 blockchain confirmation po bago ma-credit sa ating Spark-Earn account. And ayan guys, yung pinakagusto nating lahat is yung pag-withdraw ng ating earnings. Kung paano natin siya gagawin, just click withdraw funds at mariredirect tayo sa kanilang withdrawal page. And dito, mamimili tayo guys ng ating payment method. So by the way, take note of the minimum withdrawal. Kapag Bitcoin po yung ating payment method, 3 USD po yung kanilang minimum withdrawal. And kapag payer naman po, 1 USD po yung kanilang minimum withdrawal. So, dito guys, na-i-record ko po yung aking naging transaction when it regards sa pag-withdraw ng aking earnings. So, the last time guys, meron akong 4.28 USD sa aking account balance at winido ko siya by just clicking the withdraw funds button at mariredirect tayo guys sa withdrawal page ni Spark-Earn. Ang gagawin natin dito is pinili ko yung Bitcoin and then inilagay ko yung amount na nasa aking account balance which is 4.28 USD and then in-click ko po yung continue. Alright, so mariredirect tayo ngayon sa kanilang withdrawal confirmation at dito guys, i-review lang natin yung ating withdrawal transaction kung tama ba yung Bitcoin wallet address and inilagay ko lang po dito yung aking 2FA code na nanggaling sa aking Google Authenticator. So, ini-copy ko lang yan and then in-input ko yung code, saka ko na i-click yung confirm button. So, afterwards yan guys, aantayin lang natin na ma-process yung ating withdrawal. At mabilis lang siya actually guys. Nag-pop out agad yung kanilang withdrawal transaction hash ID. So, as we can see here, nandyan po yung transaction hash. At titinan natin ngayon sa aking Coinbase wallet yung aking withdraw. Kung pumasok ba talaga siya. So, ngayon guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa aking Coinbase wallet. So, makikita natin dito yung aking naging transaction history at ang pinaka-recent niyan guys is itong receive Bitcoin of 0.00046535 at nanggaling po yan kay sparkearn.com. So, ayan guys, naipakita ko po sa inyo yung aking own proof of withdrawal dito kay sparkearn.com at masasabi kong paying ang site ni Spark-Earn. So, nasa sa atin yan guys kung gusto nating subukan ang kanilang platform, but then, always nating tandaan kapag sasali tayo sa kahit anuman klaseng investment platform guys, do your own research po before joining any kind of investment platform. And we should always be aware of the risk na papasukin natin dahil maglalabas tayo ng puhunan. So, ibig sabihin guys, your money is at risk when it regards to this kind of investment platform. Consider this as an HYIP or high yield investment programs at hindi natin alam kung hanggat kailan sila magiging paying. Kaya risky po ang mga ganitong site. So, disclaimer na lang din po guys, I am not your financial advisor and I am not an expert when it comes to this kind of platform. I am just sharing site based on my experience. And kung gusto nyo mag-invest or mag-try kayong mag-invest, always natin consider yung ating golden rule, which is to invest only what you can afford to lose. Invest at your own risk. Thank you for watching this video. God bless and happy earnings!